Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off sound effects on Cooking Craze. So let's get started. First, open your Cooking Craze game. Once you're on the game, tap on the gear icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. There, you can find sound effects option. Tap on the toggle button which is right next to sound effects. And this is how you can turn off sound effects on Cooking Craze. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.